In this video, I'm taking you through my honest and unscripted review of FastestVPN and answering the big question, is FastestVPN actually a good VPN? Before we dive in, if you want faster speeds, stronger security, and a larger server network, NordVPN is a solid option. You can find the link in the description. I started by downloading FastestVPN directly from their website, making sure I had the latest version. Installation was smooth and straightforward. I ran the file, followed the prompts, and within seconds it was up and running on my PC. The interface is clean and simple, without overwhelming menus, which makes it perfect for anyone who just wants a VPN that works without fuss. After signing in with my FastestVPN account, I explored the server list, which is organized by country and purpose. I tested a range of activities, including streaming US shows, accessing region-locked websites, and downloading large files. FastestVPN connected quickly every time, and the speeds were decent for most everyday tasks. Streaming in HD was smooth with minimal buffering, and downloads performed reliably, although it didn't quite match the ultra-fast speeds of premium VPNs like NordVPN. Where FastestVPN stands out is in privacy and security. They clearly state a no-logs policy and include essential features like a kill switch and DNS leak protection, keeping your connection private even if it drops unexpectedly. On the downside, their server network is smaller compared to giants like NordVPN, so during peak hours, speeds could slow down slightly. Support is functional and responsive. The live chat answered quickly, and the documentation covers common questions clearly. It's not groundbreaking, but it works well. Pricing is competitive, especially if you already use other services from the same provider, and there are bundle options that make it more affordable. So, is FastestVPN legit or a scam? Based on my testing, it's legitimate, easy to use, and reliable for basic VPN needs. For users who want a simple, no-frills VPN that gets the job done, it's a solid choice. But if you're looking for faster speeds, a bigger server network, or advanced features, NordVPN still has the edge. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.